In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dependencies in Notion. If you've ever managed a project where one task can't start until another one finishes, dependencies will help you map that flow. And if you want, automatically keep dates in sync. Start by opening your Notion database and heading to the three-dot menu in the top right corner. This menu controls database level settings. From there, look for the More Settings section and choose Dependencies. This is where you'll configure how tasks relate to one another. If you haven't set this up before, select Create New Relation. Notion will automatically add two self-relation properties to this database, typically named Blocked By and Blocking. Blocked By shows which tasks are preventing the current task from moving forward, while Blocking shows which tasks the current one is holding up. These properties will appear alongside your other database columns and can be used in any view. You can keep the default names or rename them later if you prefer clearer wording for your workflow. Next, choose how Notion should handle date shifting when dependencies change. Shift only when dates overlap will move a dependent task only if the updated dates actually clash. Think of it as a gentle nudge to avoid conflicts. Shift and maintain time between items preserves the gap between tasks. If the first task slides 2 days, the dependent task follows by the same 2 days. This is great when you want to keep a planned buffer intact. Do not automatically shift leaves dates as they are. You'll still see the relationship, but you'll handle any scheduling changes manually. Pick the option that matches how strictly your schedule should stay aligned. To create dependencies visually in a timeline view, switch to that view and hover over a taskbar. You'll see a yellow or orange arrow on the right edge. Click and drag that arrow to the task that should be blocked. When you release, Notion creates the relationship and you'll see a connector indicating the dependency. If your timeline is crowded, zoom or switch granularity to make dragging easier. You can also link tasks manually in a table or on the page itself. Open the database in Table View. Find the Blocked By or Blocking property for a task. Click into the field and select the related task from the drop-down. You can type to search if your list is long. If these properties aren't visible, revisit the dependencies settings to confirm they were created. For best results with auto-shifting, make sure your tasks have date properties, ideally with clear start and end dates. Thanks for watching.